The Economic Impact Report found that the local legal fraternities stand to lose 66% of jobs from attorneys to support staff, while court institutions could shed 85% of their jobs, ranging from judges to registrars and the master's office. The city's expected loss of earnings has been calculated at between 200 to 300 million rand. The estimated cost of the move to the taxpayer could be over R1 billion, including the expansion of Bisho High Court.
The High Court is central to the economy of this city. In excess of 5,000 jobs will be lost. Those are direct jobs. But if you actually look at those who rely on those people who work, you are looking at tens of thousands of people whose livelihoods are at stake. This city, at least the municipality's economy, depends on the municipality, on the university, on the business community, and also on the High Court and all the ancillary services associated with the High Court. And so if the High Court were to move, thousands of jobs will be lost. And that will place this city in peril.
The interim report suggested the seat should be relocated from Makhanda, as Bisho is the capital of the province, and ordinarily, all the main seats of the court divisions are based in capital cities. This will also bring justice closer to litigants. But the Action Committee believes this will further disadvantage litigants, especially those based in the Nelson Mandela Bay Metro. In addition, Rhodes University has a law library in Makhanda, while there's no such facility in Bisho.
You've got other departments as well. For example, you've got your Director of Public Prosecutions, or the NPA office, which is in Grahamstown, which works hand in hand with the Grahamstown High Court. If the court were to be moved to Bisho, obviously, on their side, there will have to be adjustment as well. They will have to move to Bisho to accommodate the kind of work they are currently doing with the High Court here in Grahamstown. Similarly, other government departments, you've got your Master of High Court. Obviously, when the move as proposed is sanctioned, they will have to follow suit. We are talking about departments that employ thousands of people in Makhanda.
The main city in Makhanda is the highest number of mental assessment applications in the province. All those cases were referred to the Fort England Psychiatric Hospital, also based in Makhanda. It's another reason why the Action Committee wants the status quo to remain.
It's a very large hospital, and something like, I think it was 3,000 cases get referred annually by this court to that hospital for assessments, etc., and Bisho has no such hospital within a close proximity to it. So all those people who get referred by a Bisho court will have to travel to Makhanda and to this hospital at great expense to the state. That's an additional cost which doesn't cover the 1 billion building costs.
In 2009, a similar proposal was rejected through campaigns and petitions by the Action Committee. The public may make submissions on the issue before the end of the month. The Justice Department did not reply to the questions sent to it. SABC News in Makhanda.